Sample for number 8. Which expressions have a value of 54 when v is equal to 6? Choose all of the correct answers. So we need to substitute 6 everywhere that we see the variable v. So for part A, I'm going to leave the 2 alone. So it's going to be 6 squared minus 9. I know inside the parentheses I need to solve the exponent first, so 6 times 6 is 36 minus 9. I'm going to rewrite that, keep my 2 on the outside. Order of operations said I need to do grouping first, or parentheses, so I'm going to leave the 2 alone. 36 minus 9 is 27. And finally, 2 times 27 is 54, so we know A is an answer. For B, I'm going to substitute 6 where the V is, so 6 cubed divided by 18 plus 3. Order of operations says do exponents before division or addition. So 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. I'm going to rewrite everything else. I know that division has to come before addition. So 216 divided by 18 is 12 plus 3. And 12 plus 3 is 15, which is not 54. Part C. I know that if I have a number next to a variable, that means to multiply. So in parentheses, I have 2 times 6 squared minus 90. I have to do parentheses first, or grouping, so I'm going to have 12 squared minus 90. 12 squared is 144 minus 90 is 54, so C is also an answer. For D, 6 cubed divided by 3 minus 18. Exponents have to come first, so 6 times 6 times 6 is 216 divided by 3 minus 18. I know division comes next before subtraction, so 216 divided by 3 is 72 minus 18 is 54. For part E, 2 parentheses, 6 squared minus 90. I know I have to do what's inside of this group first, but within the group I have an exponent, so I'm going to do this one step first. So I'm going to write everything else like it is, 2 parentheses, 6 times 6 is 36 minus 90. Now I'm going to do what's in the grouping, so 36 minus 90 is negative 54. Keep the 2 on the outside. And if I multiply 2 times negative 54, it's negative 108. We know that is certainly not the right answer. Last but not least, 6 plus 2, parentheses, squared, minus 10. I'm going to do what's inside my group first. So 6 plus 2 is 8, squared minus 10. Then I'm going to do my exponent. So 8 times 8 is 64, minus 10. And that also equals 54. So A, C, D, and F are all equal to 54. Oops.